Hi, I'm Jane. Welcome to Jinze School. In this video, you will get a glance of our company's workshop production, operations, and meet our team. The workshop is not only equipped with advanced mechanical tools, including CNC lathes, drilling and milling machines, but also experienced engineers with more than 20 years mechanical experience in making extruder screw barrel. The screw barrel optimum performance and the longevity are ensured by our gold standard. Why choose Jinze Screw? Because we value efficient communication, timely delivery, and offer multiple payment methods. For inquiries and partnerships, visit our website or reach out to us through Google Ads and trade shows. We look forward to setting new benchmarks of success with you.